Good morning, students. Today we will learn about the past perfect tense. I had eaten my breakfast before I went to school. So let us see first how do we use the past perfect tense. The past perfect tense expresses an action in the past before another action in the past. This is the past in the past. That means something which happened in the past before uh, one action happened. So let us take example. The train left at 9 a.m. We arrived at 9:15 a.m. So when we arrived, the train had left. You see the two actions. The train left 9 a.m. We arrived 9:15. So 15 minutes delay. So the sentence here expresses that the train left earlier. When we arrived, the train had left. Let us try to understand it through the timeline. So you see here it is given on timeline that one horizontal and one vertical line is given, so where they meet is the present one. Now the other side where the two cross are mentioned, so you see it is given my friend stopped by, had eaten. You see, the Titanic had received many warnings before it hit the iceberg. So first what happened? Received many warnings, and later the Titanic hit the iceberg. So what happened before the hit of the iceberg? It is that it received warnings. So first the warnings had received, and then the ship hit the iceberg. So the Titanic had received many warnings before it hit the iceberg. I had already eaten when my friend stopped by to visit. So we used past perfect tense to talk about a past action that ended before another action, or time in the past we use before and after. We use the simple past too. So wherever we will be talking about two past actions and one action happened before or after the other one. The film had started before we arrived. We also use the past perfect to show the cause of a past action. I was tired on Monday because I hadn't slept well the night before. With the time expressions such as when, after, before, as soon as, by the time, by, and until. So these are the time expressions which are generally used with past perfect tense. By the time I got home, my mother had already prepared dinner. He came to my house. I had already left. So he came to my house and I left. Two actions, but what happened first? That I left. So I had already left when he came to my house. He came to my house, simple past tense. After I had already left, past perfect tense. So this action takes place further back in the past. Look at one more example. After he had taken his music lesson, he made a telephone call.
आ गया तूफान, पूरा दरवाजा ही खोला, अपना भी खोल गया है यहाँ पर।
The key words of this tense are before, after, by the time, as soon as, and helping verb is had plus past participle, that is verb third form. Example: after I had finished work, I watched TV. Before I watched TV, I had finished my work. Thank you, students. That's it about the past perfect tense.